Hi viewers and supporters, welcome to the Data Analysis Expo. In this golden time, we are having one family dataset collections. It's a list of top selling mobile brands from 1996 to 2019. By the way, we will analyze this dataset by using the Tableau software. Okay viewers, let's go on the video. Today our topic list which is having best selling mobile brands. This dataset we are collected from Wikipedia by using web scraping concept by Python programming language. In this concept we are having 5 topics. The first one is the best selling mobile devices. Then second one is best selling touchscreen phones. And third one is best selling flip phones. Then fourth one is best selling slider phones. And the final one is which make sold most models. In this mobile brand list dataset I have stored in Excel file format. So click on the Excel file, then searching the mobile list, got it, then click open. So I got the table. So in this table we are having the manufacturer, like the make of the mobile, then the model name, and form factor means is the type of mobile, is a bar mobile or touch screen or like a flip phone, like this. Then there's a smartphone model or not a smartphone. Then there's a year, and there's a graph value. It's a total value, it's like 250 million units. It represents that the value. So going to click on the sheet. So first of all I have analyzing the best selling mobile devices. So we need to find out that result. So we have the dimension and measures concept. I just drag and drop the manufacturer into the color. So I would like to change to circle. Then I would like to drag and drop the graph million units to size. So we have the bubble chart. So I need to name on the bubble chart. So manufacturer is drag and drop to the label. So we have easily identified the which one is the best selling mobile devices from 1996 to 2019. So from this chart I just click the entire view. Yeah, got it. Then here we having the list, like the Apple having the blue color, then HTC, Huawei, LG, Motorola, Nokia. Then this one is research in motion in RM, RIM, and Samsung, Sony Ericsson, and Xiaomi. So once we just touch these bubbles, we can easily identify the manufacturer name and how many numbers of units they are manufactured. So just click and go to the annotate and mark. So I would like to simply delete this manufacturer because we already know that. Okay, just click the black colors. So click OK. So we can easily identify this is a graph million units. I mean we can change the name to the sales also, like double click sales. Yes, sales million units. So just click apply and OK. So if I need to change this border or color of font of this column, then I just click the format. I just go into the 4-side boxes or single side edges, anything. Then this is a border, so I would like to choose this borders and corners. So all 4 corners are, I would like to the more rounded. So then this border color is, this is changes where it's happening. It's a round border. Then I would like to change the color of the lines, and so if I would like to change this pointer, just drag and move. So this is a line format, just click, so border will, this is the line end. If you want to the open arrow, just choose it. So this is open arrow. I need to, if you want to change this, the color of the arrow, then change, you can change it. That's like one. Then also we have to change the, we are also able to change this is the background color of the sales million, like this is shading. Got it. So what's the purpose of this chat? So we have this table format. The data is also stored in this table format. From this table we need to identify the which brand or product is most selling unit. So that's why we use this bubbles chat. We can easily identify the most of the product selling brand is the Nokia, then the second one is Apple, then the third one is Samsung, and this is a Motorola. Then which is the minimum amount of sales, lowest amount of sale is this is a RAM, then this one is a HTC. Yes, totally is having a 16 units. So in this time, now we are going to analyze our second topic, which is the best selling touchscreen phones. So here we are using one familiar charts, single charts having a more details concept. So we choose the tree map concept. This tree map, we are already having the dimensions and measure fields. So I just move the graph million units to the color. Then the same thing, I just move graph million u to the size. So then we need to identify the mobile more makes. So we just move to the label field. This type we are having the more number of details in single chats, like this Nokia and Apple, Samsung makes or presence in this single graph. Then also, first of all, we need to identify the questions which is the best selling touchscreen mobiles. So in our tabular column, we are having the manufacturer, model, form factor, smartphone, year, and graph million units. Then which one is having the touchscreen variables? This is a form factor. So I just drag and drop the form factor to the label. in this graph we have the two identifiable data, which is this is a Nokia make, then this is a bar type mobile. This is a Nokia make, but it's a touch screen mobile. Okay, so simply we can identify this is a dark blue color, which is having to sell the more number of units. So I just click and edit colors. We can easily edit. Then red, blue diverting. I just choose some brown colors like this. So click and apply. So we need to identify the touch screen phones. So in this concept, we can simply eliminate the Nokia models, because this one is the most selling product, but unfortunately this is a bar type mobiles, so we need to the touch screen mobiles. So in this chart we have the two most selling touch screen mobiles. So one is Apple and another one is Samsung. So we can easily identify this one is this area is having a more number of spaces is compared with the Samsung touchscreen mobiles. So it's having the 918 million units sales. So this is a 575 million unit sales. So our question is, which is the best selling touchscreen phones? So our answer is Apple. So this is a best selling touchscreen phone in that particular period of the time. So now we need to find out the solution of the best selling flip phones, and the fourth question is the best selling slider phones. So in this both questions, so we need to find out the answers. So this flip phone and slider phone data are stored in this form factor, or this is a form factor. This is having these both models, like flip phone models, like then next one is slider phone models. So I just choose this form factor column. So I just drag and drop this form factor to the columns. So we already have, so we are having the bar and flip phone and like just keyboard bar and slider and touch screens. So next I have to move this graph million unit to the row. So we can identify this bar type mobile. The total selling unit is like 2421. Okay, next I need to drag and drop this form factor to this color. So in this right side we can see the bar and flip phone and keyboard bars and slider touch screens form factor types also in here. The next I would like to drag and drop this manufacturer to this label side. So in this type, the Motorola, Nokia, Samsung, so we can easily identify that the Nokia mobile is having the more number of units selling. So I would like to change this automatic to circle. So next we have to move the model to the details. So in this chart having the bar, flip, keyboard bars and slider and touch screens. So in this time I would like to introduce one new type of charts. Yes, so this chart name is a jitter chart. It's called column scatter in origin, is a variation of vertical scatter plot which is used to display the individual data points. So I will telling later the main purpose of this chart. So before we create this chart, I would like to go to the column, create the calculated field and random jitter. I just assigning the calculated field name, then I type the random bracket to make sure the calculation is valid. Okay, then click OK. Then I just drag and drop to this next to the form factor. So I just changes the standard to this entire view. So the main usage of this jitter chart is, it's a greater technique is in dot plots, box plot with dots and scatter plots. Jitter is a random value that is assigned to the dots to separate them. Okay, so in this way now what's our question? It's the best selling flip phones. So we can easily identify, the best selling flip phone is a Motorola. So then the next fourth question is a best selling slider phone. So we can easily identify that the best selling slider phone is the both one. The Nokia and also a Samsung, because the both selling units are in same, like 30. Okay, so this is a main purpose of the main usage of the jitter chart. So this is our final topic. So our final question is, which make sold most models? So for this answer, I just move the manufacturer field into the rows. So here we are seeing the Apple, HTC, Hawaii, LG, manufacturer, make, model. Then also move to the model. So we are having the manufacturer names and also models. So for example, this Apple having this iPhone 3GS and iPhone 4, iPhone 4S up to iPhone XS and iPhone X Max models. Then again HTC, then Hawaii having the 1, 2, 3, 4 models. So I need to segregate this, I need to easily identify this, because this is not having any other numeric values. So I didn't easily find out how many models how many models are launched by Apple. I just simply calculate 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, etc. So for this easily identification purpose, I just to create some calculation field. So the name is index. So the same thing, index. So make sure the calculation is valid. So in this concept, the main point is, so we need to make sure why we are using this index. So default table calculation, just click. So change the automatic to model. Okay, because our question is which make sold most models. So we just put on the model, then click OK, then finally OK. So here this index one created. So I just move on this text. So we can easily identify that how many models are launched in this particular make. So here Apple is having the 14 models and HTC is only one model, then Hawaii is a 4 model, then Nokia is around the 24 models. Okay, this is our second steps we have completed. Okay, now I want to make some visual effect to identify the model count. So that's why I just moving the index from text to color. Okay, simply extract this. Yeah, good. So I just changing some colors. For example, click and red, green, white diverging. Click and I just select an orange color. Okay, then I just click on this green color. No. Okay, apply. Okay, so now this is some other our next type of visualization. So this measurement is a maximum 24 unit, I mean 24 models. Which one is having the 24 models? Like Nokia is having the 24 models. So just click on the label. Okay, so easily mark up the, so Nokia is having totally 24 models. Then Apple is not across the white border, like it's having some 14 models, and HTC is only one, and like Samsung is slightly, this is light green also appearing, so it's just reached the 17 models. Okay, well, find out. Okay, our question is which makes all most models. So we can easily identify the Nokia brand make having the most models. So it's totally 24 models. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.